Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options again. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, again, Bank Nifty being strong this week, whereas Nifty being weak again, as you can see, right? Bank Nifty moving up, but Nifty moving down in this week. And first of all, we are gonna see what can we expect, like in the weekly charts. How do things look, right? Now, Bank Nifty, if you see over here, still looks very strong, right? It looks like we could see a little bit of more up move till like maybe 44,500 or 45,000, right? Maybe a slow up move till like 44,500, or maybe just an up move till 44,000, and then we could see some sort of a pullback, right? Because we've been continuously moving up for 5 weeks now, right? If you see, after taking some sort of after taking a break over here, we've been moving up for continuously for 5 weeks, right? So Bank Nifty needs to take some sort of a pullback over here, after which we could continue our up move, right? Whereas Nifty, if you see, after the breakout, it is now starting to move down, right? But do we need to be cautious over here, right? Do bulls need to be cautious over here, or is it just a very small pullback, right? So simply know that we'll need to wait for this week's low to be broken, right? Which is at 18,410. If 18,400 or 410 is broken this week, then we could expect some more correction till at least 18,200 to 18,100 levels in Bank Nifty, as well as Bank Nifty. If you see, if we at least go below 50% of this candle, right, somewhere near 43,400 to 43,300, if we start going below that, then we can expect some sort of a correction in Bank Nifty also, right? We'll see in more detail once we go into the daily chart, right? In the daily chart, Bank Nifty is just getting out of a correction, right? Oh, not sorry, not a correction, consolidation, right? If we see Bank Nifty was consolidating, now Bank Nifty is getting out of this consolidation, right? So if we start going below this, that means this breakout will fail, right? And when a breakout fails, all of the buyers who would have accumulated their positions over here, they'll be like, okay, this breakout has failed and now it's going against me. Let me exit my position, which can cause a very uh, good down move from here, right? So tomorrow, if Bank Nifty starts going below, we'll see in the 15-minute charts exactly which levels. Yeah. So tomorrow, if okay, let me go into the 5-minute chart for more clarity. Yeah. So tomorrow, if Bank Nifty starts going below 43,460 to 450, once we start getting a 15-minute close below this level of 460 to 450, right? Then you guys can go ahead and start shorting Bank Nifty for big targets, and your first target, first of all, can easily be 43,000 on the downside, because this is a failed breakout over here, right? So all the buyers who would have created long positions over here, those guys will now start panicking, right? And they'll be like, okay, let me exit my position. This is becoming a failed breakout, right? So we could see a very good down move once we cross 43,450 to 460 on the downside. Once we get a 15-minute closing, wait for a 15-minute or at least a 5-minute closing below 43,450, and then you guys can go ahead and start shorting Bank Nifty till at least 43,120 to 100 on the downside, right? That should be your first target. That means if we do open with any sort of a gap down, or even if we open flat and start moving down, right? If we on the upside again, 43,780 becomes very important, because this is the swing. This is from where the selling started. So this will be very important to watch out for. Once we cross 43,780, your first target can easily become 43,900 to 43,950 on the upside, right? If we do open with some sort of a gap up near 43,900, then what could happen is that, since we have 44,000 very close on the upside, right? So what could happen is that we could move up a little bit from here, right? Say if we open at 43,880, just for an example, we could move up from here, and then we could see another profit booking coming in, because 44,000 is a round level over here, and so we could expect some sort of a profit booking to happen over there, right? So if we do open with a gap up, I'll wait for Bank Nifty to, maybe make a low over here, right, in the first candle, and then move up. And once it starts breaking that low again in afterwards, then I could think about entering into a trade over there, right? Now, That's for Bank Nifty. What with Nifty, if you see, right? In the daily charts, if you see, Nifty is not looking very good over here, right? Nifty looks very weak over here. And if we do cross 18,400, we can expect at least a momentum till 18,200 to 18,150 on the downside, right? But if we do wait till 18,400, then things could get a little bit more late for us. So tomorrow, if we start going below 18,000, let me go into the 5 minute charts to give a more better clarity of where you can start shorting, right? So tomorrow, if we start going below 18,450 on the downside, you guys can go ahead and start shorting Bank Nifty. Your first very small target can easily be 18,400. But if you do want a bigger target in Nifty, then you guys can aim for 18,200, which could come maybe tomorrow. Although I'm not expecting like such a big fall till 18,000 till 18,200 tomorrow itself, but you can take a positional trade over here and keep your target till 18,150 or 18,200 on the downside by keeping the day's high as the SL, right? Now that also will be that this scenario will be valid even if you open below 18,450, and even if you open flat and start crossing 18,450. On the upside, 18,570 becomes very important because that is from where you can see this good selling coming in, right? So if we cross 18,570 tomorrow after opening flat, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here. Your first target can easily become 18,660 to 650 on the upside, right? And if we do open with any sort of a gap up near 18,570 to 580, then I would recommend to skip Nifty. Why? Because the simple thing is that then that we could be volatile. This Nifty could become volatile over here because there are a few resistances up over here from where we could see good selling coming in if we do open flat over here, right? So yeah, guys, that was the weekly analysis over here. Tomorrow, if we do not open with a gap up, or tomorrow if we open with a gap down, right, tomorrow if we open with a gap down, then we can expect this week to be a little bearish, after which we could expect Nifty to move up again, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys liked my analysis, and thank you for watching till the end. You guys can also join my Telegram channel. The link is down below in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.